Hey, I'm Jo and I'm passionate about nails. Knowing so much about manicure makes me want to share with you all my knowledge so you'll know how to do it yourself. I dedicate this video to modern French manicure and I will teach you how to do it. We're gonna go through the whole steps of removing the previous semi-permanent nail polish, cleaning the nails, then applying the semi-permanent nail polish in a modern style. First thing first, what you need to have is a towel, a bowl of warm water, semi-permanent nail polish remover, degreaser, primer, base coat, colors, top coat, UV lamp, aluminium foil, nail files, these two special instruments for nails, buffer, cotton pads, scissors, and this is optional, some nail clips. Let's get started. First, to remove the previous semi-permanent nail polish, you need to remove the top coat and you use a nail file. When you're done removing the top coat and your nails are not shiny anymore, you apply the nail polish remover with cotton pads. Put it directly on your nail and you use an aluminium foil to cover it. Just make sure the shiny part of the aluminium foil is up. This way the aluminium foil is more efficient. Now you just wait for 15-20 minutes. Now it's time to remove the aluminium foil and of course the previous semi-permanent nail polish. To clean all the nail polish you have on your nail, you can use this instrument. And after that, the buffer. This way, your nails are clean now. Moving forward, in the next step, I use a nail file to clean the sides of my nail. Remove all the cuticles from there. After that, I set the shape for my nails and this time I'm going for a square shape. Having a round shape right now, I either use a nail file to adjust my nail and have it square, or I use the scissors to cut part of my nail, then I use the nail file. Now the part of cleaning your cuticles, you use this instrument to push your cuticles and then use this part to clean the surface of your nail. Now you use the bowl of warm water to soften your cuticles. You leave your hand in it for a few minutes. After that, you remove your cuticles by cutting them with the scissors. Now the part that I love the most is applying the nail polish. First, you use a primer. Then you apply 2 layers of base coat. And after applying each layer, you let it dry in the UV lamp. One more thing, you always take care of these 2 fingers separately. Otherwise, if you put your whole hand in the UV lamp, the nail polish will drop on this side of your nail and it won't look good at all. Now let me tell you what I have in mind when I say modern French manicure. I think of going with some green, 2 layers, then I will apply some black on this part of the nail, just a thin line. Let's get going with the green. This green doesn't look bad itself, right? But let's do what you all came here for, the modern French manicure. I'll apply some black, a very thin line on this part of the nail. Now I'll let it dry in the UV lamp and I'll do the same for the rest of the nails. I will apply 2 layers of black and I will let them dry. Now you apply the top coat, one layer, and you let it dry in the UV lamp. Make sure you seal this part of the nail with top coat. Last step is to degrease your nails. You use a cotton pad and some nail degreaser. Here are your modern French nails. From where this full tutorial is coming from, there are more to be shared. So subscribe to my channel, turn on the notifications, and keep in touch. Bye!